Let's show you the inside. Hello and welcome everyone to our channel, ABI. Today we are gonna review the Windy Terrace Hotel and we're gonna show you our room and the amenities along with it. This video will also include our entire first day journey and visit to the beach. So thank you for watching again. So that's the smell of hotel.
I'm pissed. Where's my complimentary juice and my hot towel?
Miss.
Upset spaghetti.
No one can drink, no hot towel.
Alright, get out. No, I'm joking.
And there's this game, which one comes quicker, this one too. Card. Look, if you open it all the way, it'll lock.
My bad.
This is our bedroom for the next 4 days.
Fancy.
So as you can see, the entire room is really pretty, really beautiful. The mattress is the most comfiest thing, but unfortunately the Hotel Windy Terrace does not give a very good view from our windows. You cannot see the beach, but you can see buildings. So we are off for some sightseeing, and this place is still not open yet properly. There's one public washroom that you can see on the ground floor. There's a mirror, and this is the main meal side. So I'm walking to the restaurant now. The restaurant. Hello. This is the restaurant. Naam ki restaurant ta?
Chandradeep Restaurant.
Chandradeep Restaurant. It's warm as it, but it's also windy. It's warm.
It's nice. Where are we going?
Shugandha beach.
Cool. We're going to... Does that mean I can get in the water?
Yeah. তোমার কেমন লাগছে?
Good.
Good. Good.
Okay.
ভিতরে যাও, ভিতরে যাও। আমি বাইরে দিকে যাবো। This is the perfect means of transportation in Cox's Bazar.
I like it.
It's auto. Green auto. Then there is this type of company over here. The bus down there, go in this way. Go, get back. Get back. Now we're going closer to the beach, that's why it's cold.
That's nice.
Prashad. We stayed in Paradise once. This has cottage-like space, beautiful
The
hotel.
oldest one. That is let's keep this.
Used to be very nice. So it's 40 Dhaka over here from our hotel to this spot, and this is the view of the Seagull Hotel. It used to be one of the biggest hotels at that time, with the very beautiful swimming pool and this iconic place to go to the beach, the wooden platform. They're all called Jhaubon. Look at the trees, huh?
There's Moo!
Look, this Jhaubon everywhere. You can see.
Pretty.
These are different sort of tree. You won't find it.
Say they're very different.
They help with weather. They block off very harsh wind. There you go, beach. Sandy beach. How does it feel?
Itchy.
Itchy? What's itchy? On the beach you will find quad bikes like this. They might pressurize you to get the quad bike as soon as possible because that's a guaranteed sale for them, because if you don't get on they lose a sale, and these are normally 500 Dhaka per ride. This will be hitting us. There you go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And the next one is will. Well, the back one will. This one. Great. Yeah.
Okay. He's living his best life in the sun.
This place has a little bit more people.
Somebody tried to clean these again for me. I made them really bad.
পরিচিত
আপনার ব্লগের নামটা কি?
আমাদের ব্লগের নাম MNABI।
আপুর চেহারা আমার পরিচিত মনে হয়।
আপুর চেহারা পরিচিত না, আমার ফার্স্ট টাইম আসছে কক্সবাজারে। আচ্ছা কাছে লাগে, হ্যাঁ বুঝতে পারছি। He said you all look the same. He thought he knew you from somewhere. ঠিক আছে, ধন্যবাদ।
That's the issue.
Look, pottery, toy pottery. Oh, look, shells.
See, shells.
You can get your hello aquarium chalo. So right now we're gonna go to the
I thought
aquarium
I looked familiar
and
to
I'll show you
the man.
what
He
the
goes,
aquarium looks like.
performers were
Bazar.
famous. I said, yeah, that's good. Some she life. Fish world. What a name.
Let's go wash our feet. So
Did you know they're poisonous to eat if they're not cooked properly? Here, I want to. I was just angry with it. Like, what the hell are you doing, mate? He's like, how are you? I'm just trying. Look, I found Nemo. I found Nemo. I do not like this. No. Why didn't you do it? I was like, nah. Are you? The lake fish? Oh my god.
We just took our fish therapy. It was almost like little bubbles hitting my fish. Jellyfish, do you know that jellyfish do not have brain? Sounds like someone I know.
Oh, look at all the art the kids made.
Oh,
That's really
seriously?
cute.
Walk.
Hold on. I'm with stupid mankind. That's great.
Digital color lab. Oh, this is gift shop. Oh look, back
I was
scratcher.
just gonna say, look at the back scratches. Mom's got one of those home.
And there is wooden comb
Cool.
for Roland shells.
Cool.
Achar.
Okay. Is that what it is? They look like dead scorpions.
So inside this fish market there is arcade zone. So this is the exit, and this is the end of Radiant Fish World.
Is that what it's for? Everywhere.
You probably figured out what happened. After a long warm day, Ember and I decided to go swim at the beach for a little bit, because that's what the joy of Cox's Bazar is. There is something about the sound of the waves just soothes your mind and gives you a sense of peace. Here at Cox's Bazar, you get the guaranteed peace. This is a perfect spot for couple or family, or even if you're single. Just sit by the ocean, listen to the waves, and that's all it needs to give you a fresh start if your times are worse. We're at the beach called Shugandha at the heart of Cox's Bazar. Mambo did get scared by that horse. Ember, on the other hand, enjoyed her horse ride. Although Ember's horse was the smallest, yet deserves a big thank you from Ember at the end of the ride. I know that this video is a year late and we have not been able to edit most of our more recent videos. This is not the only trip. We have so many videos piled up and we have to edit them sooner or later, because I guess this is what would be the best thing for us to do. And if you like our video, do show some support by commenting and subscribing and liking. We are trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. That might give us a little bit more motivation to get those videos done. Thank you for watching again. It means a lot. I'll see you in the next one. I'm Abby.